It even says right here, read our 52 reviews. And wouldn't you know, it keeps me on the site. How the heck do you make your website sticky? I don't mean pouring some soda or something on your keyboard. I mean, how do you make it so that when customers visit your site and start clicking from page to page, they don't open up a new tab, a new browser window, and start exploring, looking for other information or potentially competitors? Stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to increase the stickiness of your website. Here we go. Hey folks, it's Brian Kaplan here with the Bigger Better Biz community, where we equip you with the tools and know-how to grow that bigger, better, small business. Today we're talking about stickiness. When I first heard the word stickiness, when I had started in marketing, I was like, it sounds a little weird, but it makes total sense. Think about this. You want a website visitor or potential customer who comes to your website to be stuck on your site. Not stuck in the way of hitting a 404 error or not being able to find the homepage, but stuck in that they don't navigate somewhere else. They don't open up a new tab or a new window and start looking for reviews for your business, or is your business a scam, or potentially looking for competitors where they can give their business to them instead of you. We don't want that. So we want to increase stickiness. And today I'm going to show you one way that you can increase stickiness on your website by showcasing your online reviews. Now, in being a dedicated trainer for the Grow with Google program, one thing that I'm always teaching in those classes is the importance of collecting, managing, and promoting your reviews. Yeah, you should be collecting reviews. You could use a tool like My Review Dashboard. You should also be managing them, meaning you're responding to them, whether they're positive or negative. But the third element of this is promoting your reviews, showing them all over the web. If someone gives you a 4 or 5-star review, you better be sharing it all over the place, in social media, in your emails, in direct messages or text messages, in videos, even on your website. That's how we're going to increase stickiness. So take a look at this site. This is Weymouthport Condos, which is actually owned by the Depend on Dakota team, a real estate team in Braintree, Massachusetts. And notice at the bottom left, you see right here, Google reviews, 5 stars. I don't have to click out. I don't have to open a new tab and look for Weymouthport reviews or Depend on Dakota reviews. It even says right here, read our 52 reviews. And wouldn't you know, it keeps me on the site. I can see all of the brand new reviews. I can see when they were received. I see the photo. I can even click and then be brought to that specific review, which adds credibility. It's not magic, it's technology. Let's show you another one. We're on Milk House Gifts, which is built by our friend Rayanne. Notice first she has a nice pop-up. Join our community and save 10%. That's great for email marketing. We do a lot of that. I'll X out of that and look right here. Overall rating, 5 stars, 9 reviews. Again, I can read all of the reviews. Beautiful, unique gifts, so much to choose from. Milk House Gifts is amazing. I see all of those on the website. I don't have to go anywhere. Stickiness. Let's jump over to Salem Historical Tours. If you've ever been to Salem, Massachusetts, or you watched Hocus Pocus 1 and 2, then some of these buildings would be familiar. Well, in that case, you'll also see down below, there's a review widget in the bottom left, and it's showcasing the different reviews. So it's going to cycle through the reviews, and if I want to see, let's see, D's review, I could click on more, and it shows me an image of the review. That's really helpful. This is a tool that was provided by My Review Dashboard. Then let's jump over here. We've got Marcellus Heath, my good friend M. Marcellus Heath is a real estate agent in the Jacksonville Beaches area. And here we go. Instead of me having to look for real estate reviews or Marcellus Heath reviews or realtor reviews, right here, I'm getting reviews from his major sites, Google and Zillow. He's got a great rating, 4.9, 26 stars. Look at that. I can cycle through if I'm a potential home buyer. I can look at these reviews or seller and see, wow, Marcellus is amazing to work with. I can even load more. It will continue loading those reviews. This, my friends, is how you increase stickiness on your website. And last but not least, I'd be remiss if I didn't show you ours. So we practice what we preach. We eat our own dog food, if you will. And on the BJC marketing site, you'll see right here, we've got all these new reviews. And we can see 281 reviews, 5 stars. I scroll down, I can see all the different reviews, load more. Notice they're mostly on Google. And again, I could click on any of those and I'll be brought right to Andrew Cohen's review on my Google Business profile, which is awesome. It's a powerful thing that we're doing here, and this actually helps us to promote those reviews, to promote stickiness, to keep a potential customer on the website so that they say, wow, King Insurance said fantastic, helpful. Thank you, Brian, for presenting to our duck community. Oh my goodness, you know what? I'm going to get the free monthly resource pack. Those are things that we want to do. We want to incentivize and motivate website visitors to stay sticky. So hopefully this helps you, my friends. If you enjoyed the video, click like, be sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you're interested in adding this widget to your own site, check out myreviewdashboard.com. You're going to see the link at the bottom of the screen next to me, over on this side actually, myreviewdashboard.com. You'll also see it in the description. We'll have a hyperlink for you. Till next time, stay well, stay healthy, stay happy. Here's to your success.